Blue Label next. Remember, it's the distributor of secure electronic tokens of value, which is another way of saying the transactional services in a network of touch points like petrol stations and so on, I implied earlier, where people go in order to buy airtime, and they've got connections with all of the major networks, a long and very mutually profitable relationship with the likes of MTN, Vodacom especially, principally here in South Africa, but also in India and Mexico. Remember, the founders here are the brothers, the Levy brothers. They always travel together and do their presentations together and come into the CDO studios here at CNBC Africa together. Market capitalization 6.4 billion rand. Price earnings ratio 11.55. Dividend yield 3.26. I must say they've remained pretty effective, pretty solid. The core of the business is that airtime reselling operation. High turnover, relatively low margin business, but how do you feel about them?
Correct. I think, as you rightly say, they perfected the distribution channel for all prepaid services. And I think the South African business is quite solid. We saw good revenue growth there last year. And I do think with an increase in data usage and an increase in demand, I think it would be stable. I think the big value unlock is in the Indian and Mexican businesses.
Okay, so they're still losing money in Mexico, and I think they're trying to build a business there similar to the one here. And I guess that's the plan at a global level, is just simply to do. Because the idea is that people will do like pinless top-ups and use the ATM and buy airtime on the internet. That's all very well, but there's still a lot of people who've got notes, bank notes, that want to go and exchange them for pins and put it into the phone, because that's easy and understood, right?
Correct, but then lies the opportunity. And the regulator has recently made some changes in Mexico, which has really benefited them. So they've reduced the commissions that the dominant player there, Telcel, could provide to the other distributors. So that's why we saw a nice uptick in revenue from Mexico.
Okay, and the share price has reacted accordingly. We're out of time, so hot or not on this one?
Not.
Not, okay. I'm going to go with hot. Why not? Let's keep it mixed. I like the way these guys have moved in recent times.